Last week that was this one. No demos. Just talked about 1.7. You haven't seen the meeting version because I sent the files yesterday or last week and the week before to Gabor because I got internet. I'm back. Oh, that's new. I'm not sure I like it. I'm not sure I like it. But that's okay. So you will see the meetings in today. 7:25. Demos, I don't expect any topics. Let's check 1.7 again. I don't expect any improvements or present that either. So status object one. We did some triage on Thursday. Yes, we did triage. I don't remember rewriting triage meeting. I believe it was quiet. So what we have here since 18. This one updated SslSettingsPartHandler. We'll do that. This is right. That isn't very explicit. It's just that when these settings are updated, then it will invalidate the cache. Object call. Which is there. So what we have? OpenId update. Military update. I like to check this one. See the new feature. Where is this? No way. It's not. For pipeline for exception. Kit. Screen should be useless. Check because it's literally wrong. Okay, nothing special. And that identity web 12.4. And I think this morning I learned how it is named internally Microsoft. Some people working on the IoT web talk to me and mention the name. I'm like, what is that? Oh, it's a good name for Microsoft IoT web. I won't say it because I'm not sure it has to be published, but it has been to discover it has an internal name. Media module dark incredible. Okay. Contributor, Mike, make Twitter comment check extensible. Yeah, I don't think we. So this is fine. There is a coordinator interface, but technically, Google will provide a custom implementation of coordinator for these things, where it's just about coding with the coding async. So yeah, maybe we need that. Maybe we can just not have these things. And whenever we need to check it, we just check all the handlers and add this code duplicated where it's used, probably in a single location. Or maybe just have one class and no interface, because we will replace it. And it's scoped. Causation. This one is scoped. Okay. How do you get definitions of provided contain types? Maybe a null check here. Or maybe get type definition is a better one, because list type definition lists everything and then filter in memory. And probably this one is more clever. And then we get running robust out from settings. Okay. Fixed disable to put authentication button. Document update. Documentation. Okay. Update doc generation, update ACK, add an option to allow the user to change the full text search behavior in the manual. So that 2 weeks ago, the idea being that if you don't want to use text, got it. Or searching in the new.
I just figured out that these are changes for 1 month ago. So you came back maybe too far in the past.
So I'm redoing. And why you want to? I was like, I already looked at the line key change. That's where we did a change like this recently. And when I exchanges, I'm like, that's weird, because I thought it was done a while ago. Ah, crap.
We covered them in the last meeting.
Yeah, and that was a lot of changes. I'm still doing it. I'm like, wow, that's a lot of changes. Okay, so we are here. Thanks, not one. I'm sure you saw that earlier. That's everything. Yeah, so that was a lot. Let's check again. This one, okay. Improving your first page load time, PR question that you use. A better query to load the workflows. Here's the page. and then a custom SQL query instead of using a SQL to do a query. That's great. That is not great. Unless this is an HTML string. Let's check. No, it's not. It's a select list item, so this is purely a string. To be sure. It's a string, so that's an issue. The issue here is that maybe not. Maybe. Maybe it's not a problem because it's S. It's an HTML. It's not an HTML collider. Yeah, I would just say don't pass that one. It was already the case before. Interesting. My concern is that and that's it. So that should be fine. I want to prevent double encoding, but it will only happen with HTML. So anything here should be string. So if it contains HTML, the HTML will still be encoded once because this doesn't encode, but the at text will encode. And but just to be clear, this change here is just refactoring the code that was there before. Okay, so faster. Workflow listing fix Analizer or use. Okay. Applying all the recommendation from them. Settings. I'm not a fan. and API breaking. So many changes. Use the tenant to be at the root. Okay, so the default tenant can have both tenant prefix. Isolated tenant HTTP clients, isolated tenant HTTP clients. Okay, so that's it was a big problem, I think. So it's minus unit specifically. Okay. Yeah, issue being that might want different settings for HTTP clients because of the HTTP client factory. And there might be a problem with tenants that will share the same instances. So let's go with the declaration in the API. Actually, different directly to settings we are responsible. So we did that in other editors. So this is an optional default value for editors, which is not mentioned here. I think I made a comment in the PR. It's just to fill the input of the text field when you edit a content item. It's not the default value of a text field. It's just the default value of the input. It's very important because when you create item with this field using code or an API, then it won't be applied. It's just for the editor. Okay, cleaning objects, probably because of inversion. It's updating. There is not to mention the changes in OpenId. Fix duplicate, which was not respecting the versions, I think. We looked at the issue last time. It's good. Adding a new contributor and a new contributor. Some information questions, comments. Let's look at issues list. Four more. Same one as before. We need to check if the result API is still valid. New update, and update. No update. So if anyone wants to look at these issues because they need 1.7 to be shipped, then please try to report the issue to confirm it's a problem, or let us know it doesn't recur and we close the issue. And that's it. The rest will do during triage on Thursday, and so far not much activity since last week, which will be good. All done? Okay, well, then thanks everyone.
Okay, thank you. Anton, I'll call you from my teams.
Bye bye.
Yes, okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.